Warriors, let's welcome to the stage Eric and Natashia Williams.
All right, welcome to the Illinois Market Development Meeting.
No. This is not your market development meeting. Does this look like Illinois?
Yes.
No, it doesn't. Hi, everyone. I'm Natasha. This is Eric. We're from Illinois. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. So as many of you know, Eric is an Army veteran, and we're here with and we're here with our 3 beautiful boys to show them what Powur is all about. And we just wanted to share with you why we love Powur Platform and why we love all of the Powur ecosystem, and to share our story.
Hi, my name's Natashia Williams, and this is my story. I hope it inspires each and every one of you to never give up on yourself or your dreams. Before I discovered Powur, my life was a constant struggle, a relentless storm that seemed to never end. As a wife and mother of 3 boys, and then eventually a correctional nurse, I was overwhelmed by the demands of family life and then my demanding career. My husband, a veteran, was also struggling with health issues. The scariest moment came when he was rushed to the hospital because he had suffered his 2nd heart attack. As I watched the doctors work to stabilize his condition, I couldn't help but feel a wave of panic wash over me. The thought of losing him, it was unbearable, especially for our 3 boys who were terrified and confused and just didn't understand why Daddy couldn't come home right away. But even in the darkest moments, I clung to a flicker of hope. I knew I couldn't give up on my family, my dreams, or myself. And I had to keep fighting, no matter how difficult it seemed. My turning point came when I discovered Powur, and I had a chance encounter with Jonathan Budd on Powur World online that ignited a flame of hope flickering so low for so long. As I delved deeper into the world of Powur, I felt excitement and a renewed sense of purpose. Powur offered me more than just a job opportunity. It offered me a chance to make a difference and to be a part of something bigger than myself. Perhaps the most significant impact of Powur was how it brought me and Eric closer together. We realized we are a powerful team, capable of achieving great things when we work together. We learned to trust each other, support each other, and believed in our shared vision. Together, we face challenges and celebrate victories, forging a bond that can only grow stronger over time. We rediscovered our strength, our passion, and our belief in ourselves. Together, we found a sense of purpose and fulfillment that we have never known before. One of the things I love most about Powur is that it offers opportunities beyond just selling and generating money. While income is undoubtedly essential, Powur also cares about your physical and mental well-being. They equipped us with tools and people that allowed us to find that more profound struggle and unbury wounds so that we could heal properly. We are grateful for the people who have supported us along the way and for the opportunities that have come our way. And most importantly, we're so grateful for our time. We get to spend it every day with our 3 boys, watching them grow, learn, and experience all the life experiences that we weren't afforded when we were growing up. Our story is a testament to the fact that even in the darkest times, there's always a glimmer of hope. With perseverance, determination, and the proper support, we can overcome challenges and create a brighter future for ourselves and those around us.
All right, that was one side. Now, I'd like to share my perspective of my Powur story. I am Eric Williams Jr., Powur's Illinois Market Development Leader and the CEO of the Solar Soldier. After the military, I felt lost. Had a loving family, but I isolated myself from everyone. 2 heart attacks, a seizure. My body was failing. I pushed everyone away, convinced I was a burden. I remember one day at the hospital, my son asked his mother if I was gonna make it. That fear in his eyes. That's the turning point. The soldier within finally woke up. I shed over 100 pounds, embraced a plant-based lifestyle, ditched the alcohol, reclaimed my health, but I still needed a purpose, still needed a mission. That's where Powur came in. It wasn't about how much money you can make on the platform. It was about the community. After meeting with Trevor Foley, I joined Powur and finally felt like I belonged somewhere again. With the support of the community, I was able to replace my wife's nursing income when she had to go through surgery. The Solar Soldier was born. Now, I'm on a mission to empower veterans and their families. We take portions of our profits and donate it to organizations that support veterans and families. When I see a roof without solar, I see an opportunity to support another veteran. My story is proof that it's never too late to change. I have a saying when things get hard. My disability doesn't define my ability. Les Brown said, do not allow someone's opinion of you become your reality. This resonated with me because I had so much negative self-talk that it stopped me from being the man that I am today. Put in the work today so the future you can have a better life.
Thank you, thank you. So as you can tell, our stories are very, very different. We see it from two different perspectives. But as a whole together, we make it complete. We're a power couple. He does one, I do the other. So anybody that's out there, anybody that thinks that, oh, you're living in somebody else's shadow, you're not. You're only a half of the puzzle. You're the other half. There's no shadow. You both make each other shine. And hey, you guys can do it too. Thank you.
Enjoy Powur World.